How much does it cost to build an e-commerce website? Sami Kayat says, in short, the following may help you in determining the total cost of an e-commerce website. Though Pavel Zarikow does make a great point in that the true cost will be based on multiple factors, a few of which will be covered in brief below. 1. Do-it-yourself, least cost approach. 2. Freelancer, more costly. 3. Hire an agency, highest cost. The factors that will help you in deriving an estimate for the total cost of an e-commerce website include the following. 1. Responsive design, i.e., your website can be viewed on desktop and mobile devices, estimate $2,500 to the build. 2. CMS, content management system, estimate $1,500. 3. Shopping cart plus payment gateway integration and testing, estimate $2,500. 4. Total pages plus copywriting. 5. Features and functionality. 6. Database integration and monthly maintenance. 7. SEO, on page and off. 8. Content marketing. Based on just the first 3 factors listed above, although they're estimates, they do give a good idea as to how quickly the total cost of building an e-commerce store can go up. Leonard Welch says, I have been building e-commerce websites for 7+ years now, Shopify and WooCommerce. And the cost varied between $350 and $80,000 USD. It really depends on the amount of work required for the project. 1. Design. Custom or pre-made, like WP, Shopify theme. 2. Brand book needed or not. 3. Unique functionality. 4. Support and maintenance. Rudy says, an e-commerce website doesn't have to be costly to create. With a good hosting site and a domain name, you will need WordPress, a good e-commerce friendly theme, WooCommerce plugin, and content to get started. Most hosts offer a website builder that helps you with creating your website. Minimal cost, budget for $50 minus $100 to start. Once your store opens, you will earn from sales to pay for your website. The rest of the cost is your time and energy. Rudy. Thanks for watching our video on how much does it cost to build an e-commerce website.